Today we are doing something ludicrous even by our standards. We've got a shoddy attempt at a tent over here and we are camping out in the Turkish mountains with our animals. We're just about to go and get them. And so up we went into the beautiful Turkish mountains. I thought I would bring my drone along with me so you guys could see exactly where we camped out for the night. I would say this is probably the worst prepared camping trip that we've ever done, but it's okay because we were only 10 minutes away from home. And the whole reason we wanted to do this was to provide a new experience for Rosie, our goat, Dolly, our donkey, and Bee, our ChowChow, which I can safely say was definitely a novel experience for all of us.
Wow, that is beautiful. Take Rosie look.
I have to say there aren't many mosquitoes up here.
No, you won't, because it's windy as well.
Yeah, they're not good flyers, are they?
No. Wow, that was my dream, do you know that?
What's that?
Having a call of prayer on the camp.
When you're camping?
Subhanallah. It will not get any better than this, I tell you. Mum would love that, I tell you.
Your mum? Or my
Your
mum?
mum. There you go, Jess. Kebab. I made a kebab for you, look. Look. See that?
Marshmallow kebab.
Of course.
Marshmallow shish.
It's called marshmallow shish kebab. Have one of them. Don't ask anymore, I won't give it to you. See, in England you can't do this. You have to go on a camping thingy. You shit it on the floor, €50, £50 fine.
Do you want soda water in a minute? That's the only water we've got on this trip.
Good girl.
Dolly's first time camping. Dolly's first time camping. So we're going to bed. We've got Rosie's bed over here. She's got her corn to keep her busy at night. And then over here, we've got Junior and me, all ready to call it a night. A chaotic night though, you know. It is now the morning after the night before, And I will admit that was not the best night of sleep for me last night. I've got Rosie down here. Rosie did take quite a long time to settle. Junior's just gone back with the quad bike to take the first load of camping stuff back. We were going to have breakfast here, but turns out we didn't have any onions, nor did we have any bread for the dish that we wanted to do. We were quite badly prepared on this camping trip, but it was good for the experience and the memories. And to take the girls out, I think Dolly liked being out in a new surrounding. With new food, she could have a good munch on. But this is what mornings look like in the Turkish mountains. We picked a really nice spot actually. Once we had packed everything up, we then walked Dolly and Rosie back home whilst Junior took Bee back on the quad bike. If you don't follow us on TikTok, then you wouldn't realise that this is a regular sight for us. We always take our donkey and our goat for a walk up the mountains whenever we have a dog walk. And because they are so bonded with us now, they are happy to follow us wherever we go. Whenever we walk down the hill, Rosie, my goat, absolutely loves to throw herself down the hill and do what we call goat zoomies. Rosie doing her jumps. Come on then, you two. Go on, Ro. Believe it or not, these two are far more obedient than my dog. Their recall is far better. They don't stray too far. They're very good, Dolly. Sometimes Dolly has her moments, but who doesn't? And that is where I will end today's vlog. Just a short one today because I really did want to spend a lot of time with all of my animals in the mountains and really enjoy the moment.